Here are some investments that you can start with just 100 ringgit or less. What's up? Welcome back to Mr. Money TV. Every week we'll upload a new video about money management. So do subscribe to our channel to learn about money. 100 ringgit, what can you do with it? Most of you will agree with me that you can't do much with 100 ringgit today. What more when we talk about investing with 100 ringgit? Albert Einstein said that the eighth wonder of the world is compounding interest. If you can save 100 ringgit every month for 30 years with 7% return every year, you will get back 120,000 ringgit. So don't look down at 100 ringgit. Here are some options that you can kickstart your investment with just 100 ringgit or less. Let's dive into it right now. The stock market. Yes, you didn't hear it wrongly. The stock market. The minimum investment in the stock market is actually 100 units of stock. If you can find a stock on the KL Stock Exchange that is 1 ringgit per unit times 100 units, that will be only 100 ringgit. And yes, on KL Stock Exchange, there is actually a wide selection of stocks that are less than 1 ringgit per unit. All you need to do is look through and find out. I've attached a link in the description to a list of the complete stocks that are available on the KL Stock Exchange. Do check it out. You can look through the list, find out which stocks is affordable for you to invest. One reminder, investing in the stock market requires a little bit more financial knowledge. So you need to do your homework before you start investing in a stock. If you're going to simply invest without doing any study on it, it is no different from gambling. So if you want to invest in the stock market, do spend some time learning how to invest in the stock market first. Now, if you do not have the time or patience to learn up about stock investment, you prefer someone who's a professional to manage your investment for you, like a financial advisor, you can try out StashAway. It is an online investment platform that invests in ETF, exchange traded fund. Basically, it's a fund that tracks the performance of its underlying asset, such as a collection of stocks. If you want to know more about ETF, you can check out my video about what is ETF. With Robo Advisor, StashAway provides you with a personalized investment portfolio that is tailored to your needs without the expensive fee of a financial advisor. With no minimum deposit or balance, you can open an account and start investing with just 50 ringgit. Yes, that's less than 100 ringgit. Even with just 50 ringgit, you can start investing with StashAway. And for those of you who want to invest consistently on a monthly basis, you can even set up an auto deduction. Anyway, I've attached a link in the description as well for you to find out more. Also, there's PRS, Private Retirement Scheme. It is a long-term savings scheme for you to accumulate more money for your retirement. With as low as 100 ringgit, you can start a PRS account. One of the major benefits of PRS is this: you get a personal tax relief of up to 3,000 ringgit every year. And because of this, some people actually save in PRS just for the sake of the tax relief. There are 8 PRS providers in the market. Again, you can check them out in the link that I attached in the description. Amanah Saham. While most private unit trust companies will need you to have at least 500 ringgit to start an account with them, the government unit trust, Amanah Saham, only requires you to start with 10 ringgit. There are 2 types of fund in Amanah Saham: the fixed price fund and the variable price fund. Fixed price fund, it simply means that the price of the unit will never change. It will always be 1 ringgit. It is capital guaranteed and the yearly return is around 6% to 9%. There are 6 funds in total for the fixed price fund, 3 for Bumiputra and 3 open to all Malaysians. There's also the varied price fund. Basically, the unit pricing will change based on day-to-day valuation. It is not too different from a private unit trust. There's no capital guarantee and the returns is based on the fund's performance. So where can you buy this Amanah Saham? You can buy it in the post office or even online these days through a local bank. Finally, for some of you who enjoy a little bit more risk, you can try P2P Lending Investment. P2P Lending Investment is you invest your money by lending it to a business to expand its operation. For this, you get a higher return in interest rate. You can do this through a P2P platform such as Fund Society, Quick Cash, and Fundastic. The platform will review these companies and rank them according to the risk of them defaulting their pay, which is the risk of them not paying back the loan. The higher the risk of defaulting, the higher the interest rate you get. But if it's all good, you can even earn up to 20% 20% return a year. There are a few platforms for P2P lending in Malaysia. Among them, Quick Cash and Fundastic offer the lowest initial investment. With just 50 ringgit per campaign, you can start investing with them. Well, P2P lending can be a very rewarding investment. However, there is also the chance of defaulting and you don't get back any money. So do spread out the risk and invest wisely. So guys, if you have been saying that you have no money to invest, these are some of the options that you can start with just 100 ringgit or less. So if you have friends who say the same thing as well, do share this video with them so that they can start their investment right now. Thank you very much for watching. Do share with us if you have any questions or what are some other reasons that you haven't started investing yet. So share with us in the comments below and I'll see you next week.